Hi everyone, I'm John Newman and this is HowEasy. Today I want to show you how change format of your photo from HEIC to another format. So just look that your photo is in the right type, HEIC, and we can start. First is by the online method. You will find the link on this page under the video and we can start. You can normally do it by drag and drop method. Just take the files and drop it in the zone. Now wait a few seconds. You can download it separated one by one, or you can download all pictures in one file like this. Now you can check your final. Here you can see the JPG image like this. Okay, so second method will be by the software. You will find link for this web page under the video. So we will download this software for PC. Maybe later, save file, and we can start with install this software. Okay, so here is it. Accept as next. Create desktop shortcuts. Install. Okay. So we install the software. Now easily drag and drop your image. What do you want to change the format? Here it's better from the method online because you can choose the format. So for me it will be this format. Okay, in this video quality to 100%. It's about you. I want a 100 and just click convert desktop, and after a few seconds you have your convert photo successful. Okay, and we can check it here like I have new photo. Okay, it was all for today. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and we will see next time. Thank you.